In just a minute, I'm going to be providing you with an overview of the content that you'll learn over the next several hours. However, before I do that, I think it's important for you to know that you should feel free to jump around this course in any order you'd like. You do not need to watch every single lecture in the order presented. Fortunately, most of the lectures are fairly self-contained, meaning that you don't need to watch any other lecture for you to understand what is covered in that lecture. What's great about this is that you can then create your own customized course, watching just those lectures that are of most interest to you. Now, there are just a couple of exceptions to this. First, you likely would be challenged to pass the final quiz at the end of the course without having watched most of the course content. Second, at the end of each major design section, you can take a quiz to find out which interior design style is best for you, based on your preferences. So once you find out your results, you likely will want to go back and watch the lecture on the design style that fits you best, if you haven't already, of course. Finally, I do think that if you watch lecture 36, which is called 2 Design Challenges, then you should first watch lectures 34 and 35, which are called What Interior Design Styles Work Best Together, as lectures 34 and 35 will give you the information you need to understand how I solve the design challenges in lecture 36. Now, other than that, have fun with this course and watch it in any way you wish. Okay, now that said, let me tell you exactly what I will be covering. In sections 2 through 5, we will go fairly deep into 18 different and distinct interior design styles, which I have grouped into 4 categories. These 4 categories are formal interior design styles, casual interior design styles, 21st century interior design styles, and retro-inspired interior design styles, which basically means there is something for everyone. So, what are these styles, you ask? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. I will be covering traditional, English country, French, Mediterranean, coastal chic, Scandinavian, French country, Tuscan, Bohemian, farmhouse, Western, contemporary, transitional, urban modern, mid-century modern, industrial, Art Deco, and Zen. Got it? Great, because now I'm going to be giving you a quiz to see how many you remember. Just kidding. In all seriousness though, here is what I will be covering within each of these styles. The defining furniture characteristics of that particular style, the common materials used in that style, color schemes that are ideal for that style, the commonly used patterns, what type of window covering styles go best, the typical flooring, including rugs that you would see in that style, lighting that is used, artwork, accessories, and popular home furnishing stores that carry that particular style. Very helpful. Then, to test your knowledge on each of these styles, I'll be asking you to look at a room designed in that style and jot down all of the elements that you see which correspond with that particular style. This is a fantastic way to immediately apply what you've just learned. And finally, we are going to have some fun after each of the first 4 sections. How, you ask? By completing a quick and easy quiz that will help you to identify which styles would work best in your home. Now, I actually took these quizzes myself, and I am happy to report that the results were truly in line with the styles that I do like best. So I know you'll find this information helpful. We will wrap things up with section 6, where I'll show you how to mix different styles with ease so that you create a well pulled together, cohesive space rather than a flat out chaotic space. And I'll do this in 2 ways. In the first lecture of this section, I will share with you which styles naturally work best together. In the next lecture, you are going to meet some individuals who are going to ask for my help on some of their design challenges when it comes to mixing styles well. Whew, it's a lot. I know, but I am up for the challenge and I'm sure you are too. Oh, and if you need a break, don't worry. Feel free to step away and come back whenever you're ready. I will be here. Okay, let's get this style adventure started.